Hi again, families. We're gonna work on right now something that has to do with money, and the idea with money that you can exchange dollars for points, points for dollars, and that there's multiple ways to make the same amount. So today in class what we did said, show 2 different ways to make $15 using both bills and coins. Most of our scholars are able to realize I can make $15 with a $10 bill and a $5 bill. I can make $15 with 15 $1 bills. But it gets a little bit more tricky when they have to use both bills and coins to make that amount. Today, these are a couple of things that we saw in scholars' work when we told them to make $15 using both bills and coins. Some of them would actually just go ahead and do what I said and do a $10 bill and a $5 bill, but of course that only incorporates bills and leaves out the coins aspect, so they wouldn't get full credit for that. We also saw this, which shows that students wanted to use both bills and coins, but they were a little bit confused about how to make those values. This misconception here is that I know that $10 and 5 pennies, 10 plus 5 equals 15, but we're dealing with different units here. So when we saw this, a big thing we did is said, okay, we have a $10 bill and 5 pennies. Miss Davis tried to buy a shirt that was $15. What did the cashier say when I gave her this money? And I didn't give enough. I actually had here $10.05. So one thing we worked on is going through and starting with a $10 bill, a $5 bill, and then changing that $5 bill out for 5 $1 bills. And then from there, we knew we could make one of those $1 bills into coins. So it looked a little like this. Again, here I still only have bills, even though I'm making $15. So we're gonna trade out one of those dollars, and you could actually show it with your scholar, trading out a $1 bill. And we asked them, what ways could you do that? You could make 4 quarters to make $1, 10 dimes to make $1, 20 nickels, 100 pennies, but we don't have time to draw 100 pennies. So we're gonna probably go with the most effective or efficient way right here, which would be 1 $10 bill, 4 $1 bills, and then 4 quarters, and we could erase that $1 bill there. So that's one way they could have made $15. We asked them again to do another way, and they could do basically the same thing, but trade out one of those dollars again in one of the ways. They could do 4 quarters again, so overall they have $8 quarters, or they could do 10 dimes. Okay, thanks families.